Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by deciding who you serve and what single action you want visitors to take. Once done, lock a short domain and pick a CMS that matches your comfort level. Make sure hosting includes SSL. Then collect key assets, logo, 3 clear photos, and concise service descriptions with price ranges. These items let you start building pages immediately. Don't wait for perfection. Start with a functional homepage and contact method so you can iterate with real feedback. You now assemble the site around conversion. Craft a homepage that directs people to your services and contact pages and make calls to action obvious. Once done, write compact service pages with benefits, outcomes, and a single next step. Make sure to include trust elements like reviews, credentials, and one short case study so visitors feel safe hiring you. Finally, install analytics, set up a working contact form and click-to-call phone links, and add basic SEO titles and meta descriptions. You finish by launching and running critical tests. Check mobile layout, navigation, and that form send confirmations. Once live, complete 3 user journeys yourself, book, contact, and find pricing to catch friction. If pages load slowly, optimize images, enable caching, and review hosting limits. If forms fail, verify SMTP or third-party form endpoints and spam filters. Make sure DNS and SSL propagate correctly. If not, flush DNS caches and confirm certificate installation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.